headlights turned out. It was a really, really cool process. And they look really good on the truck. So we do have to cut this little square out right here and on the other side as well. Adapters for the headlights all in there and ready to go. So now we're going to put the headlights in, which I'm so excited for. So I'm just going to connect these and then put it on. Obviously these two bulbs are different colors and it's not really the look I was going for. I want that like white LED clean light in the headlights, so definitely need to replace these bulbs. But as far as this LED strip, it looks so good. Couple tries on the LED lights, I couldn't get the color I wanted. It was really hard to find that super bright white, but we ended up finding the perfect light to go in there, and these headlights turned out so good. This is exactly what I had in my mind, just super bright white, and it has this little accent LED in there that I think just, I don't know what it does to it, but it kind of gives it our own touch on it, so we had to do it. It looks so good. I'm so happy with how these turned out. I know I keep saying that, but although these are the 2005 headlights without the 2005 bumper and grille, the whole front end, I still really like how they look. They don't fit in there perfect, but that's okay. That's what you get when you're upgrading different years and stuff. We've run into that problem so much. I do want to show you guys the turn signal because it's so cool. Or the hazard or whatever. So this is exactly what the turn signal is going to look like. I just have the hazards on right now. So it switches to that amber color, and then once that's off, it'll go right back to white. So I didn't want the amber running like as a running light or anything, but I do really enjoy it for the turn signal. Also, we disconnected this turn signal bulb down here, so it just stays as a running light, like this top light. So if you guys are doing this at home, that's what we did. All right, and then I'm gonna close the video out. Okay, so not only did we get these headlights done and in, we also got the whole front end together. The grille and bumper went on, and that's the whole front end. It looks so good. I'm super happy with how everything is turning out so far. I can't wait to keep going and finish the truck up completely. So that's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care, you guys. I will see you all next time.